Hello guys, this is Deboville. Happy weekend, happy new month. Hope you are fine today. This video is about FLR network. So guys, this coin is one of the prophetic coins you should have in your portfolio. Back in the days, if you hold XRP, you will receive an airdrop in form of FLR, which is FLR tokens. So guys, if you are new to this project, FLR is a blockchain for building applications that are interoperable with other blockchains and the internet. FLR is an EVM based layer 1 blockchain designed to allow developers to build applications that are interoperable with blockchains and the internet. So guys, you can buy this project on different crypto exchange, Mexi, Gate.io, KuCoin, Kraken, Bybit, etc. So guys, the current price of this project is 0.01615389 US dollars, and FLR is down 0.6%. So guys, conduct your research. You can buy with spare money. The market cap is 1,234,368,490 US dollars. So guys, if you have coin Gecko, you can check out the website of FLR network. The blockchain for data. FLR is a full stack layer 1 solution designed for data intensive use cases. So guys, you can build your project on this platform. You can stake your FLR tokens on this platform. Let me show you some of the use cases. Securely explore XRPFI, BTCFI, and DOGE FI. Bridge, trade, lend, and stake for greater liquidity in one DeFi hub. So guys, check this out. FA asset turn non-smart contract enabled cryptocurrencies like XRP, BTC, and DOGE into assets that can be used in DeFi. This is amazing, guys. So guys, you can check this out if you have coin gecko. So guys, you can store your FLR tokens if you have safe power wallet. You can save and store your FLR tokens on safe power wallet, and you can also stake your FLR tokens on safe power wallet. You click on add delegation and you pick your validator. You click on delegate. You click on confirm. So guys, this is how to stake your FLR tokens on SafePower wallet. If you like this video, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.